Hello and welcome to the ODIN Laboratories. My name is Daniel Connolly. We're making this video especially for Stryker, and we want to certainly thank you for your interest and taking the opportunity to view it. What I'm going to do today is introduce you to our RFID EasyTunnel. It's a specially designed solution for RFID enablement of the consignment supply chain. This is important because there's a business case at the end of it, but the technology matters as well, and we're going to take a time to review both of those today. We've been blessed with the fact that we actually have live Stryker product here on site. This is a hip stem coated in titanium. Physics are important here because it's a very RF unfriendly device. However, the packaging's friendly, and we've been able to tag this and maintain 100% read rates over the last testing period. So we want to bring you over and show you a little bit about the technology. On the business case front, we could talk about this as well because it's important. The supply chain, the consignment supply chain, in this particular case, you're sending out 16 of these parts. 14 of these parts will then come back. Those need to be accounted for, and that's a very manual process. Barcode scanning each one of these takes time and is error prone. RFID eradicates both of those concerns. So that then increases your efficiency, and it also increases the security of your products and the accuracy of the inventory. So we appreciate the time. Why don't I take you over to the tunnel right now? Thanks, and here we are at the EasyTunnel. So I want to introduce a couple of things here. First, the tunnel itself and the physics that's involved in tracking things through this tunnel. Also the application that actually captures this business intelligence for you and allows you to quickly and efficiently get the consignment supply chain moving. This allows us to track exceptions. Bottom line is you don't care about anything except for knowing that the case that's going out has the appropriate inventory, and the case that came back has missing inventory. What is that inventory? We're going to show you how this works. The tunnel itself is self-enclosed. Oftentimes there's a lot of floor stock in your warehouse facilities. We understand that. We've worked very closely with a number of companies in this particular space. So this has steel reinforced siding to contain the interrogation zone, also allows us to maintain 100% read rates. I'm going to fast forward a little bit through this process and talk about an exception. This is a full complemented case. It has 16 hip stems in it. I'm going to remove 2 of these hip stems. Now we are further along the value chain, and you've received from the doctor's office, back from the point of service, an incomplete case. We're now going to run this through and allow for the interrogation to take place. I'll start the scanning process, and I will start the conveyor. So what happens now is, as it rolls through the conveyor, it's being interrogated, not only the 14 parts that remain in here, but in particular, the case. You need to have a tag on the case because that then articulates how many parts should be in here and which parts should be in here. What's important also, as I bring you over to the application, is to understand that it's not just 2 hip stems are missing, but which 2 hip stems. That allows you to quickly and efficiently repackage this and get it back out into the field so that you can sell more products, and it does so in an accurate fashion. So let's take a look at the application. As you will view on the ODIN software, on the legend on the right, we are able to track decommissioned items, missing items, extra items, as well as expired items. These are all color-coded for the ease of use on the GUI. In this particular instance, the Accolade Plus hip stem number 1 and 2 are both missing and need to be replaced during the replenishment process. This is highlighted in red, making it easy for the folks working on the floor. Okay, so you've seen that you now have 2 exceptions, and these 2 hip stems need to be replaced in the kit. Specifically, hip stem 1 and hip stem 2. We go back into the replenishment process, we take these 2 hip stems, we prepare the kit for the next order. It's ready to be shipped out. Roll it through the tunnel. Conduct a new scan. Now, as your team is preparing to ship these out, they're going to have now the bill of record saying, this kit is ready to roll, it's got exactly what the doctor ordered, and we know when it went out and how it's going out. So this gives you great visibility into your supply chain for a number of different reasons, not only just for business efficiency, but also for recalls and compliance. So it gives you an awful lot of control over a rather untenable supply chain. And as this continues to be adopted, both by your competitors, but also by others in the supply chain, such as McKesson and Cardinal and some of our other clients, you're going to find that RFID is going to be becoming more and more commonplace. So I look forward to working with you. Hopefully this was useful, and I appreciate the opportunity, and hopefully you can come down and see this thing live someday soon. Thank you very much to Stryker, and have a great day.